Guys, meron din po silang aircon and extra wifi for you if you want to imagine this place. So, please like and subscribe, guys. So, ganyan sila magluto, guys. Unstick siya, parang unstick. Guys, magluluto na ako ng ganyan. May shrimp. Ang dami nilang recipe, oh.
Okay na? Pork cut na.
So guys, sobrang ganda dito in this place. So, malamig din guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. May aircon, ganito, no? Freebie light like that. And the plants. Tsaka may charging din sila na pangsaksak naman po ng internet, ng cellphone. Tsaka yung wifi. The wifi. So, sobrang galing. So, yan guys. Pang Instagram. So, let's see. I eat. Tsaka, this one.
Ay, hindi. Sabaw. Para sa akin pala yung sabaw. Ito, susok mo dyan.
This one is mine. O, diba guys? So, ang sarap. Try natin. Amoy palang sarap na. This is kawa. And this is the siomai. All the siomai. And this is beef spirits. So, and this is the soup.
Ito na babahaw.
And hakaw. So, let's eat, guys. So, let's go.
Lemon po.
This is good. Cheers.
Diba nag-extra egg ka?
Hindi.
Ah,
Diba,
25?
25.
Mm.
Diba?
Ay, oh. May egg.
And oh my god.
Kain man.
Ang tigas guys. Yan. Kuha. Mm.
Ito mati nito. Wala. Ito na lang mati.
So, and this is the kawa. So let's eat. Mm.
Gusto mo? Bella.
Bale, ang laman po nito, shrimp. Puro shrimp. Kitang-kita po yung usok ko. So, blow. Mm.
Mother, may rice to.
one is the ribs.
Kasi naman, yung kanin.
Ari, okay.
And don't forget siomai. Siomai. Ay, nahulog. Siomai.